Welcome to the tutorial session of Secure Firmware Upgrade. Log in to AeroGCS KEA by entering valid details. Go to Side Drawer and click on Firmware Upgrade. AeroGCS KEA gives multiple options as per the vehicles. Select a vehicle according to the firmware upgrade. To set up firmware, select board type. Once the file is selected, proceed by clicking on Start. Plug in your device with USB to start firmware upgrade. Downloading is now initiated. This would erase the previous version of the firmware. Programming new version would be popped on the screen. Secure Firmware Upgrade has now been completed. Thank you for watching AeroGCS KEA tutorial video.